Excavators aren't just built for digging anymore. With the right attachment, they can crush concrete, shred trees, slice through steel, grind solid rock, and even turn demolition waste into reusable material. Some of these tools are so powerful, they completely transform what an excavator can do. Here are 12 insane excavator attachments you have to see to believe, and the one at number 1 is truly in a league of its own. Number 12, MB Crusher BF80.3 S4. Most excavators are built to move material, but the MB Crusher BF80.3 S4 gives them the ability to create new material. This massive crusher bucket transforms an excavator into a mobile crushing machine, allowing operators to crush concrete, rocks, bricks, and demolition waste directly on site. Instead of transporting tons of debris to a separate crushing facility, this attachment processes everything where the work is happening, saving time, fuel, and money. Designed for excavators weighing around 18.5 tons and above, the BF80.3 S4 can crush material into reusable aggregate for roads, foundations, and construction projects. What makes this attachment incredible is its versatility. A single excavator can demolish a structure, collect the debris, and recycle it immediately without needing additional heavy machinery. It is a perfect example of how modern attachments are turning excavators into all-in-one workstations. Number 11. Simex TF Rotary Drum Cutter. What if an excavator could replace a massive rock cutting machine? That's exactly what the Simex TF Rotary Drum Cutter brings to the job site. Instead of breaking rock apart with powerful impacts, this attachment uses rotating drums covered with cutting teeth to slowly grind through concrete, stone, and hard surfaces with incredible precision. Unlike traditional hydraulic breakers that create heavy vibrations and noise, drum cutters operate more smoothly, making them ideal for projects in sensitive areas like tunnels, urban construction sites, and underground work. They can shape rock walls, remove concrete structures, dig trenches, and even create underwater foundations. The impressive part is the level of control this attachment provides. Operators can carve through material with accuracy rather than simply smashing everything around it. With different models designed for various excavator sizes, the Simex TF series has become one of the most advanced tools for precision excavation and rock cutting. Number 10. MB-HDS Screening Bucket. Every construction site creates a problem. Mountains of mixed soil, rocks, and demolition debris that need to be separated before they can be reused. But instead of bringing in a giant processing plant, the MB-HDS Screening Bucket puts that power directly on the end of an excavator arm. This attachment uses a rotating screening system to separate different materials while the excavator is working. It can process soil, stones, compost, and demolition waste, turning unwanted debris into useful resources right on site. The incredible part is its mobility. A single excavator equipped with this attachment can dig, collect, and recycle materials without relying on multiple machines. It saves transportation costs, reduces waste, and allows operators to work in locations where traditional screening equipment cannot reach. The MB-HDS is proof that modern excavators are becoming mobile recycling factories. Number 9. Kinshofer DXS Mobile Shear. Steel structures that once required heavy cutting equipment and hours of manual work can now be destroyed by a single excavator attachment. The Kinshofer DXS Mobile Shear is a powerful hydraulic tool designed to cut through tough materials like steel beams, pipes, and metal structures with incredible force. Built for demolition and recycling operations, this attachment uses a massive jaw system that delivers thousands of pounds of cutting power. Once the excavator grabs a piece of metal, the shear closes like a giant pair of scissors, slicing through material that would stop ordinary tools. What makes the DXS impressive is its precision. Instead of bringing large demolition machines into tight areas, operators can use an excavator equipped with this attachment to carefully dismantle structures piece by piece. It is commonly used in scrapyards, industrial demolition, and metal recycling projects. The Kinshofer DXS proves that an excavator isn't just a digging machine. It can become a giant hydraulic cutting weapon when equipped with the right tool. Number 8. Trevi Benne HC Series Hydraulic Pulverizer. When a building needs to come down, destroying it is only half the job. The real challenge is breaking reinforced concrete into smaller pieces that can be removed and recycled. That is where the Trevi Benne HC Series Hydraulic Pulverizer comes in. Unlike a hydraulic breaker that repeatedly strikes concrete, this attachment uses enormous crushing jaws to squeeze, crack, and pulverize reinforced structures with controlled power. Its rotating design allows operators to attack concrete from different angles, making it extremely effective for precision demolition. The most impressive feature is how it separates concrete from steel reinforcement bars. As the jaws crush walls, bridges, and foundations, the powerful teeth break the concrete while exposing the metal inside, making recycling much easier. Used on large excavators during demolition projects around the world, the Trevi Benne HC series transforms a machine built for digging into a highly accurate demolition tool capable of carefully taking apart massive structures. Number 7. MB Eagle 2 Concrete Pulverizer. Some demolition tools are designed to destroy quickly, but the MB Eagle 2 Concrete Pulverizer is built for something more precise: controlled destruction. This powerful attachment allows excavators to carefully tear apart reinforced concrete structures while reducing massive slabs into smaller, recyclable pieces. The secret is its specially designed crushing jaws. Instead of using impact force, the pulverizer grips concrete and applies extreme pressure until it cracks and breaks apart. This makes it ideal for secondary demolition, where large pieces of concrete from demolished buildings need to be processed before removal. What makes the Eagle 2 impressive is its combination of strength and accuracy. Operators can reach high walls, foundations, and reinforced structures while keeping the excavator stable and in control. The attachment also helps separate concrete from steel reinforcement, making recycling operations faster and more efficient. From old bridges to industrial buildings, the MB Eagle 2 shows how modern excavators have evolved into precision demolition machines, capable of taking apart structures one bite at a time. Number 6. Rotar RCC Concrete Cutter. Breaking concrete is one thing, but cutting through an entire structure with precision is a completely different challenge. The Rotar RCC Concrete Cutter turns an excavator into a giant hydraulic cutting machine, capable of slicing through reinforced concrete, steel structures, and heavy demolition materials. Unlike traditional breakers that create powerful impacts and vibrations, the RCC uses two massive jaws with specialized cutting teeth to bite through structures with controlled force. This makes it ideal for jobs where accuracy matters, such as bridge demolition, industrial buildings, and urban construction sites, where surrounding areas must be protected. One of the most impressive features of this attachment is its ability to combine crushing and cutting in one tool. It can break apart concrete while also exposing and cutting through the steel reinforcement hidden inside. Mounted on a powerful excavator, the Rotar RCC gives operators the ability to dismantle some of the toughest structures on Earth while maintaining incredible control. It proves that modern demolition is no longer just about brute force, it is about precision engineering. Number 5. Epiroc ERC Drum Cutter. Deep underground, in tunnels, mines, and massive construction projects, there are situations where blasting or heavy impacts are simply not an option. This is where the Epiroc ERC Drum Cutter becomes one of the most impressive excavator attachments ever created. Unlike hydraulic breakers that smash material with repeated blows, this attachment uses rotating cutting drums covered with hardened picks to slowly carve through rock, concrete, and other hard surfaces. This allows operators to remove material with incredible accuracy while producing far less vibration and noise. The real advantage of the Epiroc drum cutter is control. It can shape tunnel walls, cut trenches, level concrete surfaces, and excavate in areas where precision is more important than raw power. It is often used in urban construction projects, where nearby buildings cannot be disturbed. Mounted on an excavator, this attachment transforms a machine built for digging into a precision mining and construction tool capable of sculpting some of the toughest materials on Earth. Number 4. MDE Koala K400 Tree Shear. Clearing forests, removing dangerous trees, or preparing land for construction usually requires specialized forestry equipment. But the MDE Koala K400 Tree Shear turns an excavator into a powerful tree-cutting machine capable of grabbing and cutting large trunks with incredible control. Designed to be mounted on excavators, the Koala K400 uses a powerful hydraulic cutting system to slice through trees while allowing the operator to handle the entire process from the cab. Instead of relying on chainsaws and multiple machines, one excavator can cut, move, and organize trees with a single attachment. What makes this attachment impressive is the combination of strength and precision. The operator can position the excavator arm exactly where the cut is needed, making it useful for forestry operations, land clearing, road construction, and vegetation management. The MDE Koala K400 proves that modern excavators are no longer limited to digging and demolition. They can also become highly efficient forestry machines. Number 3. Steelwrist XTR20 Tiltrotator. An excavator arm is already powerful, but for decades, it had one major limitation. It could only move in a few fixed directions. The Steelwrist XTR20 Tiltrotator changes that by giving excavators something they never had before: a rotating and tilting wrist. Mounted between the excavator arm and the bucket, this advanced attachment allows operators to rotate tools 360 degrees and tilt them from side to side. This means an excavator can dig around obstacles, work at difficult angles, and perform extremely precise movements without constantly repositioning the machine. The result is a huge increase in efficiency. Tasks like trenching, grading, landscaping, and utility work can be completed faster because the operator has much greater control over the attachment. What makes the Steelwrist XTR20 impressive is that it doesn't add more power. It adds intelligence and flexibility. It transforms a traditional excavator into a highly precise machine capable of movements that were once impossible. Number 2. Engcon EC Oil Automatic Tiltrotator. Imagine an excavator operator switching from a bucket to a grapple, compactor, or other attachment without ever stepping out of the machine. That is exactly what the Engcon EC Oil Automatic Tiltrotator makes possible. A traditional excavator often requires workers to manually connect hydraulic hoses and change attachments, which takes time and can be dangerous. The EC Oil system automates this process by allowing hydraulic, electrical, and control connections to lock in automatically when a new attachment is connected. Combined with Engcon's Tiltrotator technology, it gives excavators incredible flexibility. Operators can rotate tools 360 degrees, tilt them at different angles, and switch between multiple attachments quickly during a job. The result is a machine that can move from digging to grading, lifting, compacting, or handling materials with minimal downtime. It doesn't just improve the excavator, it changes the entire workflow of the operator. The Engcon EC Oil represents the future of construction, smarter machines that can adapt instantly to different tasks. Number 1. OilQuick Fully Automatic Quick Coupler. The biggest limitation of a powerful excavator has always been the time it takes to change attachments. But the OilQuick Fully Automatic Quick Coupler removes that problem completely, allowing operators to switch between different hydraulic tools without leaving the safety of the cab. With a traditional system, changing from a bucket to a breaker, shear, grapple, or other attachment can require workers to manually disconnect pins and hydraulic lines. OilQuick replaces this slow process with an automated hydraulic connection system that locks attachments into place and connects power lines in seconds. What makes it truly revolutionary is how it transforms one excavator into a multi-purpose machine. In a single day, the same excavator can dig trenches, break concrete, cut steel, lift materials, and perform precision demolition simply by changing tools quickly. Used on major construction and demolition projects around the world, OilQuick represents the future of heavy equipment, machines that adapt instantly to whatever challenge is in front of them. This is not just an attachment, it is the technology that allows every other attachment to work faster. From crushing rocks to cutting steel and transforming waste into reusable material, these attachments have completely changed what excavators can do. But which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed seeing these incredible machines in action, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing technology and engineering videos.